animals in a farm way.
On to health matters now, and health workers and leaders have decried the sorry state of Kerugoya Sub-County Hospital, which is exposing patients to further health risks. Some of the county leaders want the national government to intervene and take over leadership of the hospital. And as Caroline B. now reports, plans are underway to elevate the hospital to a level 5 institution.
The county government of Kirinyaga wants to upgrade the Kerugoya County Referral Hospital into a level 5 facility without fixing the current disgraceful taste it is in. Heaps of dirty linen lie on the hospital's corridors and even on an old vehicle within the hospital's compound. The floors bear traces of litter as the trash cans fill up with garbage to the point of pouring. The broken sinks too are stained with dirt, and some do not dispense water, even in the most crucial sections like the maternity wing, whose toilets remain blocked since casual workers were sacked last month. County officials claim that construction works to turn it into a level 5 facility resulted in the mess.
As you're aware, we are upgrading the Kerugoya Hospital to be a level 5, and the construction is ongoing. And one of the things that happened is that we needed to move the laundry area and we needed to move the kitchen area. And in the movement of the laundry area, there was a bit of a lapse, and that's what resulted to the laundry machines not working on time. And that's why we've had a bit of an issue, but I wouldn't call it a major crisis.
According to the doctors' union in the county, the children's and maternity wards are the most affected.
We have visited maternity, which is the biggest department within the hospital. Today we've met only one supportive staff who is on duty. He's overwhelmed. The labor room is bad. The mothers who have given birth, they are in I don't know what I will call that situation. There is a case of MDR. MDR is a kind of a TB which is resistant in treatment. There is a patient there who is admitted together with newborn.
Madam Sisiri Kariuki, please intervene. This is very serious in Kirinyaga, Kerugoya Hospital. It is very, very bad. Please intervene if you can. And possibly you can even probably take up the hospital for a while.
Owing to the deplorable state, Kirinyaga County Governor Anne Waiguru has constituted a team to manage cleanliness in the next 3 days.
Her Excellency the Governor has this morning constituted a task force to oversee the cleanliness and address other urgent issues pertaining to the hospital within 72 hours, and thereafter to come up with a comprehensive report within 14 days.
Caroline B., KTN News.